Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Jade, also known as Jadeywadey180, and I'm a holistic esthetician as well as a makeup artist. And today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be chatting with you about a fun trip that I took with Benefit Cosmetics for the launch of their Porefessional collection. So we'll get into those products. I'll show you a behind the scenes of what we did on this incredible trip to Canada. I loved it so much. I don't do a lot of videos like this where I show like real life vlogging in a way or get ready with me, but I really want to sit and chat with you guys more and just be very chill in a lot of my videos, because the other videos I post are very much an experience. So expect to see more videos like this in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified for all of my episodes, and like this video if you do and if you want to see more. So this is the look that I'm going to be creating today. It's kind of an everyday look. It's a little bit more glam than I naturally do, but still it is on a very natural side. We have a little bit of freckles, I have lash extensions on, I have my brows, and we are doing a very matte look. So for anyone out there that has super oily skin, gets really shiny, this is going to be perfect for you. So if you want a base that is going to last you all day long, then keep watching because this really lasts. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Speedy Smooth Mask. This is brand new from Benefit. It's really just going to soak up any of that excess oil. And out of the whole collection, this is the one I was most interested in because I am a total mask junkie. I mask multiple times a week and I'm always looking for something to help with the overall smoothness and texture of my skin, and also to help me with any blemishes. Because I have combination oily skin, I do tend to break out when it's that time of the month. So I tested this, tried it out in Canada, and let me tell you, I really liked it. So I'm gonna dig deep into the ingredients, why it's great, and then I'll show you all of the products after that I used to create this really beautiful look. So I had the incredible opportunity to go on a brand trip and bring my brother with Benefit Cosmetics, one of my favorite makeup lines, to Whistler, Canada. It was so beautiful. We had 4 amazing days exploring and experiencing this gorgeous place for the celebration of their Porefessional collection, which consists of 6 products specifically developed to visibly minimize clear and smooth pores. And y'all know how much I love clean pores, so I was really honored to test these products out. They released 2 masks, 2 cleansers, a moisturizer, and a toning foam, which was really cool. And my top choice was the Speedy Smooth Mask. So this is created with celery seed extract and flaxseed extract, which is rich in omega-3 and peptides. And it overall helps smooth the texture and refine any pores. Because pores are real, we can totally smooth and help clear them out. Also, hyaluronic acid and squalane help to maintain hydration. There's mineral-rich sea salt, which helps to exfoliate. And lastly, kaolin helps to absorb all the excess surface skin oil. Okay, I just waited about like 8 minutes or so. This is what it looks like. It's fully dry. It feels like a powder, like the clay has fully dried down. And then if you can see, you can kind of see a little bit of the pores, kind of. Oh, it feels really good. It feels like tight, but not too tight, like it's like making your skin feel like it wants to crack. It feels nice. So I'm going to remove it now and then see how much oil it soaked up. Okay, that literally soaked up like every little bit of oil that was on my face. And it feels really good. Oh, you might hear my cats in the back. But the pores, oh my gosh. Everything feels like very smooth, like it really refines the skin. So this is actually one of their hero products and what inspired the line. This has been around for so many years, and it's actually one of the reasons why I loved Benefit like 10 years ago. This stuff is like pore magic. It really just smooths everything, especially in the T-zone area. So if you have not tried this holy grail of many, definitely check them out. So usually I just put this in the T-zone area because that's where I get the most oily, like right in here. And it just It mattifies everything. Okay, now getting into the rest of the tutorial, I am going to be doing a very natural look. I have my lash extensions on, so really we're just gonna focus on the base, my everyday base, very quick, girly, feminine, soft look. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Even though we have a very matte base, I do want a super glowy complexion, and I don't want it to be glowy because my skin is oily, but because of the products. So I'm gonna be mixing these two. This is the Kosas Glow IV, and then we have the It Cosmetics CC+. So I mix them together like this. And I use my hands a lot, you guys. Now just blend. NARS Creamy Concealer. I just feel like it covers everything so good, so I always end up coming back to it. So I'm sorry if it's so boring that I always use it, but it really is just top to top. Cover blemishes. I'm gonna have to go a little darker on that so it doesn't pop out. So let me mix Madeline, which is like a little bit more warm. And I have a hyperpigmentation that I'm trying to get off with laser, but it's taking some time, so. And it's just tapping. So when you use a brush, it can really take off the product. So I just like to lightly tap. And I even feel like this is like too much concealer. You guys, I've changed so much. I like really barely even wear makeup. I really want to do more tutorials for all of you, so I'm really trying. Naturally, I don't wear anything, so this is my very natural look. Actually, that concealer was pretty good. So this is like base. Let's add some color. I'm gonna do mix because I want a really baby doll look. I'm gonna use Sweetheart, so cute, from Colourpop, mixed with the Glowgasm. This is Pink Gasm from Charlotte Tilbury. And then here. Okay, so this is pretty much the base. You could stop here if you really love that super glowy look, but like I said, I get very oily halfway through the day. So I'm gonna set this, and I'm gonna use two different things. I'm gonna use ILIA's Moondance, which has become one of my favorite powders ever. I feel like it really just keeps you matte for a very long time. So I'm gonna use this with a little bit of another favorite that I really love, the HT Skin Matte Velvet from Makeup Forever. This like gives more coverage for sure. Like you could probably just use this if you want as your foundation. I love baby pink. I just think it's so youthful and pretty for like bridal looks. Always put a little on the nose. I'm adding my little touches. I love freckles. I think they're so cute. And Freck, oh my gosh, they're my favorite. They just look so good. I like to do like a couple here. I want more glow, so I'm gonna use Ticke from Benefit. It's so gorgeous, you guys. It has that very pretty kind of pink with duochrome gold in it. Stunning. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips using Tower 28 Multiliner Filmiant. It's a double-sided lip product, and it has a cushion gloss and then the Velvet Flex lip cream. Okay, darlings, this is the finished look. Matte but glowy in all the right places. Super freckly and sweet with like this soft pink blush, and natural eyes with the lash extensions, or as natural as you want to say. And this lip color, I usually don't go for like this peachy kind of look, but this is gorgeous.